Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back and welcome to Finance with Mimi. My name is God's Miracle and I'm a YouTuber based here in Nigeria. On this channel, we talk about investment, savings, budgeting, how to make your money work for you, how to make your money work for you while you sleep. That is growing passive income. We talk about all things pertaining to money. If that's what you're interested in, just sit back, click on the subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe, share my videos, drop me a comment, and then also like my videos. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In case you have missed or some other videos, I have other videos that I've made talking about businesses that you can do, investment that you can also do. If you're interested in seeing those type of videos, just check out my old videos. This video, I'll be talking about three costly money mistakes that you should avoid. We have many money mistakes that you can avoid, but today's video, I'll be sharing with you three money mistakes that people usually do, which you should drop this year, 2025. Yes, you guys, we just have 2 months before this year will round up. And some of us, we are making this mistake. Some of us are still making this mistake. So I want to tell you guys three money mistakes that you should drop this year, 2000. In fact, leave it, let it go with 2025. Just accept, okay, I know I did wrong in this year, and I believe by God's grace, next year I will not make all these mistakes. So, guys, sit back and watch the video. So, guys, number one mistake, seriously, number one mistake that you should drop in this year, number one mistake that you should drop in this year, 2025, is leaving your money in your savings account. If you are still keeping your money in your savings account or maybe in your current account in this year, 2025, just drop it this year. Like, accept, okay, I know I've done wrong, fine, but I'm not doing this again next year. So leaving your money in your savings account, leaving your money in your current account, you guys, is a great mistake. Drop that with this year. Let it end with this year. We have many platforms that you can leave your money, and then at the same time your money is growing for you. Anytime you can have access to that money, apart from savings actually, or maybe apart from investing that money, just leaving it there, maybe your transport fare, maybe your groceries, maybe for your feeding and all that, just leaving it there. And at the same time, it is yielding little money for you, little interest. We have fintech app, we have the Cowrywise, we have the Piggy Best, we have the Optimum. We have many platforms where you can leave your money and then allowing it to go for you. So saving your money in your savings account is a no-no. That is a habit. That is a mistake that you should actually drop this year, 2025. You guys, another mistake that we should drop this year, 2025, is not investing early enough. When you look at the compound interest that you must have accumulated, that you must have gotten, had it been you started investing early enough, you see that it should be a motivation for you to start your investment come next year. So, not investing early enough, or maybe just feeling like, oh, it's something that I can always do next time. No, there's no better time to start investment than now. Don't procrastinate. Okay, I'll start tomorrow. Or maybe you're waiting for when you have a 1 million naira before you can start investing. With as low as 5,000 naira. I think I made a video on that. With as low as 5,000 naira, you can start investment. You can start with a federal government saving bond, or you can start with a Stanbic mutual fund. As low as 5,000 naira, you guys, you can get started. So, not investing early enough is one mistake we should drop this year, 2025. So, guys, the last money mistake that you and I should actually leave this year is not budgeting. Yes, we depend on God for provision. Thank God God is providing for us. But at the same time, it's good that you budget your money. Guys, it really works. It really works. Your monthly income, budget it. Where is your, so that you know where your money is going. Set money aside for a particular thing. My tithe is there, your savings is there, your transport is there, your airtime is there, even down to the money that you want to give out. Set this money aside. Every month, you have a particular money that is set aside for a particular thing. That will help you to know where your money is actually going. So, guys, budgeting, not budgeting is one money mistake that people make, and is something that is not good. So, guys, I've shared with you Three money mistakes that you should drop. One, leaving your money in your savings account. Two, not starting investing early enough. And then three, not making your budget. So if you have gotten value from this video, why don't you give me a subscription? Why don't you give me a like? Drop me a comment. Let me know other money mistakes that we can avoid so that we learn from you, so you also learn from me. So till I see you in my next video, I remain your girl, Finance with Mimi. Bye.